off again so Mommy can see. And flip it over. Make sure there's no soapies. Whoop, it's okay. Okay. Rinse it out and put it up there with the rest of them.
Where do I have to put this?
Right where the other ones go, right on top of them. Upside down, remember? Upside down. Good job. Now start with the next one. Start with the next one, the orange one. Hey Alex, tell Grandma what you're doing.
I'm cleaning
Anthony, no flash. Come here, buddy. You're cleaning what?
The dishes.
Oh wait, dump out the water. Good job. Is all the soap gone? You put it up there with the rest of them.
Where am I put it?
Upside down, remember? Good job, bud. Next. Yep. That one got burnt today because we burnt the pineapple thing in the oven, huh? The cake didn't burn, but the pan did. Alex, I am so proud of you. Good job. It's okay. Lean it toward the sink. Okay, Alex, smile and look at Mommy and say, doing dishes.
Doing dishes.
Do you like dishes? Alex, look at Mommy. Do you like dishes? Whoa! Look at me. Say thumbs up. Alex, it's okay. It was just an accident. Look at Mommy. Can you do this? All done with dishes.
Okay.